So currently we have some new job leads here from Bryan University. There's a job lead here where you don't need any experience and you can work remotely from home. So we'll be taking a look at that in just a second. And also this job can pay you upwards of $20 per hour. I think this job is paying around $22 per hour. Also, they do have some other job openings here where you can earn a lot more, but those do require that you have either a bachelor's degree or some experience. But if you have no degree and also no experience, then at least this one position that they have open right now is something that you could take a look into. Also, some of the perks of working here will include healthcare, paid time off, parking, paid holidays. They have a tuition waiver plan, worksite wellness program. Some of these may not apply to you because you'd be working from home remotely. Also discounts at national brands and local retailers. And they also offer a retirement plan with a 401k match. So really good benefits to working here if you could land a position. And they've also been awarded being on the list of top companies to work for in Arizona. So let's go ahead and take a look at the opportunities today at Bryan University. So first opportunity here is going to be a re-entry specialist. So for this position, a bachelor's degree would be preferred, but it's not required. Call center experience would be preferred, but not required. They're looking for someone who is a self-starter, ability to communicate effectively with all levels of personnel in a professional manner. Also possess excellent verbal and written communication, also organizational skills. Results and goal-oriented, must be computer literate and have exceptional telephone skills. Possess high job accuracy, efficiency, and dependability. Must have consistent, punctual, and reliable attendance, effective listening and problem-solving skills, ability to work effectively in a high volume and sometimes stressful work environment, experience working in online higher education or institutions is preferred, ability to work in a fast-paced virtual environment since you'd be working from home, so using technology or software such as Google, Gmail, Zoom, and other cloud-based management systems. And this is a 40-hour per week job, so full-time position here. And responsibilities for a re-entry specialist would include these responsibilities right here. So you track drop students and implement plans for recruiting students for program re-entry. You'd maintain a student contact strategy for all students who have withdrawn in order to facilitate their re-enrollment into a degree program. You'd assist students in understanding their financial obligations while partnering with financial aid and accounting departments. Also assist students in completing all re-entry forms and processes to ensure they are prepared academically and financially to begin. Complete any necessary administrative work as needed. Complete call logs accurately. Maintains call center database by entering information. Sets example of excellent in assisting students to succeed. Performs other assigned duties. And for this position, these are some of the benefits you get here. So again, medical, dental, vision, telemedicine, short and long-term disability, life insurance, employee assistance program, 401k with a match. You get PTO, VTO, 11 paid holidays, and also they do provide you with the equipment to work from home. So that's one less cost for you to have. Also, this job is paying anywhere from $20 to $24 per hour, and work hours are 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And the only downside I could find with this position is that even though it is a, as they say here, a remote work from home position, you need to be in one of the following states to be able to land this position. So be sure to go through this before you actually apply to see if you are indeed eligible. But this is a great opportunity for anyone that doesn't really have any experience and you don't have a degree. Then this is a job that you can apply to, again, $20 to $24 per hour. Some really good benefits, and again, no experience is required. If you do have a bachelor's degree, then that would be preferred. If you do have call center experience, then that would be preferred, but it's not required. So I'll leave the link down below to this position where you guys can apply. Also, if you guys are here primarily because you're trying to find high-paying remote work from home job opportunities, be sure to go over to my second channel, which is this channel right here, the Work From Home channel. as this is where I'm currently posting the highest paying remote work from home jobs that I could find online. If you take a look at some of the recently posted job leads, you'll find jobs like this. For example, get paid $48 per hour to manage YouTube content online. USA Today was hiring remotely, paying over $60 per hour. Seeking Alpha was hiring, paying over $36 per hour. And we also have worldwide opportunities here as well, where you don't need any experience and you can work from just about anywhere. So a lot of really good high-paying job leads covered on this channel, and some will be entry-level related type of jobs where you don't need a college degree, don't need any experience. They do provide you with paid training. For example, this job right here, now hiring, you could get paid $840 per week. Training is provided and you don't need any experience. So a lot of really good entry-level remote work from home jobs here, and there are also advanced level remote work from home jobs as well, where you can make way over 6 figures. So really good place to find these high-paying job leads. If you haven't already done so, be sure to go ahead, subscribe to this channel, the work from home channel. Also tap the notification bell right here, turn on all notifications. That way you do get updated in real time when I post new job leads on that channel. Now let's get into some other job leads for today. So going back to Bryan University, they do have some other positions here that you guys may be interested in that are remote. So another remote position here was posted just about 5 days ago. And this position, the one we just covered, the re-entry associate, that position was posted today. So depending on when you're watching this video, the position, the job listing is only probably a day old. So fresh job leads here. Another one is a market research analyst, posted within the last week. The market research analyst will support the university's mission by identifying new and innovative program opportunities to support revenue diversification and enrollment growth. So this job, this is what you'll be doing. So conduct research and make recommendations for new program opportunities by collecting various types of information, including quantitative and qualitative data. Utilize third-party data sources such as Lightcast and Google to analyze program-specific demand, enrollment, and job trends. Complete program-specific competitive analyses and SWOT analyses as needed. Support the education department by participating in annual program reviews and providing relevant marketplace data. Conduct research such as surveys and focus groups to collect student perspectives and preferences. For this position, you do need a degree. Bachelor's or master's is preferred. 3+ years of field-related experience. Also passion for education, high attention to detail, ability to work full-time. And this job is paying anywhere from $50,000 to $60,000 per year. And this is a fully remote position. You can work from just about anywhere inside the US. So link will be down below if you're interested in this position as a market research analyst at Bryan University. Another fully remote position they have posted here within the past week would include a paid search and digital marketing specialist position. So this one is paying more or less the same, $50,000 to $60,000 per year. The paid search and digital marketing specialist will support the university's mission by overseeing all digital marketing campaigns, including the management and continuous improvement of their paid search campaigns in Google Ads. And this role is responsible for ensuring the university's lead generation goals are met each week, which supports the enrollment and the institutional sustainability strategies. And in this position, this is what you'd be doing. So set up Google Ads campaigns, including search, remarketing, PMAX, and YouTube, among other campaigns such as Bing. Monitor daily lead volumes, ad spends, and ad schedules, and making adjustments as needed. Recommend, document, and implement continuous improvement strategies weekly to boost impression share, click-through rates, quality scores, and lead conversion rates on paid search campaigns. Monitor the landing page environment daily by testing forms, tags, and conversion events to ensure tracking parameters are firing. Data is shared with the proper ad platforms and lead data is successfully posted to Salesforce. Recommend, set up, and run experiments such as A/B test on ad copy and landing page elements to improve conversion. Set up and monitor conversion tracking for all paid ad campaigns using Google Tag Manager, Google Ads Enhanced Conversions, and other conversion events for campaign optimization. Conduct periodic ROA and cost per enrollment analysis by criteria such as program, campaign, and keyword to identify areas for improvement. So if you do have any experience here with doing ads or social media marketing or digital marketing, then this would be a really good position for you. Again, fully remote, pays $50,000 to $60,000 per year, and you do get all the really good benefits that they offer here. Just to recap, these are some of the benefits that they offer here. So healthcare, paid time off, and this is usually flexible time off, so you get to choose or take time off when you need to do so, paid holidays, and a tuition waiver plan, which is a big deal. Some really good benefits here, really good positions, really good job leads. So all links will be down below. So if you guys want to apply, be sure to do so as quickly as possible. These positions usually go very quickly because a lot of people are watching these videos and trying to land these positions. Also, another position here, this one was posted 8 days ago, but you could still apply. This is for a medical assisting adjunct instructor. And for this position, you will need a degree, so Bachelor's of Science in Allied Health or related field, Master's degree in Healthcare Administration, 5+ years of medical assisting experience, and some of these certs would be preferred. So if you do have these qualifications, and this is another position you can apply to, only downside, this one, pay is not listed. However, because it's an adjunct position, it's on the pay per class scale. So you get paid per class that you complete. But you could go over to Glassdoor and see what instructors get paid here. So I was able to find them on Glassdoor. Really good reviews here. Overall rating is 4.3 out of 5 stars. So people seem to really enjoy working here. 135 reviews and just over 120 reported salaries. So you may be able to find the salaries that you want on Glassdoor for Bryan University. First review here is a 5-star review. Great work environment, pros, remote, great support from management, great coworkers. Cons, experience was great, no cons. Again, you could go through all 135 reviews, see what other people had to say about working here. But it seems to be a really good place to work, really good job leads, and again, everything is remote. So links will be down below. Again, all the best with making money online, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.